In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Miro board. Whether you have created a project that no longer serves its purpose or you have too many boards cluttering your workspace, knowing how to effectively delete unnecessary boards can help you maintain an organized and streamlined dashboard. So, let's dive into the process step by step. To begin with, open your web browser and navigate to the Miro dashboard. You can do this by going to the Miro website and logging in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your Miro board home. This is the central hub where all your projects and boards reside, giving you an overview of what you have created or collaborated on. Upon landing on your dashboard, you'll see a display of all your boards neatly arranged for easy access. If your list of boards is rather extensive, don't worry, you can simply head over to the Recent tab. This offers a more filtered view, primarily showcasing the boards you've interacted with most recently. This way, if the board you want to delete is among your recent activities, it's right at your fingertips without having to scroll endlessly through a lengthy list. Once you've located the board in question, the next step is to select it for deletion. Do this by moving your pointer over the board thumbnail. As you do so, you'll notice a small icon appearing, typically represented by 3 vertical dots, also known as the More Options menu. Clicking this icon will open a drop-down menu with various options concerning that board. In this drop-down menu, search for the option labeled Delete. Clicking on this option will prompt Miro to ask for confirmation. This is a standard safeguard to ensure that you do not unintentionally delete a board that you might still need. It's always good to double-check before proceeding, just to be sure you won't lose any essential data or collaborative work. Once you confirm the deletion, Miro will proceed to permanently remove the board from your workspace. It's important to note that this action cannot be undone. Therefore, make sure this is what you intend to do. If you're certain, then rest assured knowing your dashboard is now a bit more organized and decluttered. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can efficiently manage your Miro workspace, ensuring that only essential boards remain while discarding those that are no longer useful. Deleting boards when necessary keeps your workspace tidy and enhances focus on the projects that truly matter. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and guides on optimizing your digital tools and platforms. Until next time, happy organizing.